Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to design this amazing new month flyer. Before we start the video, this is a new month, the month of April, and I want to encourage every one of you that a step at a time is what takes you towards success. So don't stop whatever you are doing, don't stop, okay? Alright, so if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for me and turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload amazing tutorials like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And if you are a returned subscriber, thank you very much for always clicking on my videos. Please hit the like button for this video for me to promote this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright, so these are some of the elements that I use in the creation of that amazing flyer right there. So I'm going to hide some of the layers and make use of the background first. Alright, so this is my background. What I did was to come to this crop right here, and then I crop it into 1:1 ratio and I send it to the top like this. Okay, I'm going to leave the resources in the description, so if you in any case you want the resources, just click on the description and you get it. Okay, so this is the background. Like I said, I'm going to click on this relative position and make it fit into the working area, and I'll go ahead and lock it like this. Now the next thing is to bring the model that I'll be working with, this AI generated model. I think it's AI generated. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the position of my model. I'll make sure I position it somewhere close like this. So if you want to get the actual design and the position, you have to import all those. So as time goes on, I'll go and import all those elements, right? Okay, so I want to bring a shadow that will cover this side of the image. So I'm coming to draw, right? Okay, so I'm clicking on my draw tool like this. I will make use of this color right here. Here's the color code. Sorry, here's the color code. Okay, 8AE3FF. okay, that's the color code. So I'll increase my pen size, make it smooth, and increase the blur radius too as well. Okay, then sorry, so let me take that again, and I'm going to blur. So I'm going to create this effect right here like this. Wow. Okay, I'll check it. So I'm going to change the color to the one that I've shown you first. Okay, so this is the color code right here. I'll just increase this side, make it feel like this. Okay, so I'm going to my gallery, the texture, and I'm going to fill it with the texture to make it look nice and attractive. I'm going to my gallery, so this is what we'll be using. Yes, so I just crop in like this. Okay, something like this. Yes, this is what I use as a texture. So if it is not looking too nice, you can always copy it like this and add it to the previous one to make it look nice. Guys, what do you think so far about this design? Okay, so this is my next element. Let me lock these layers and bring this one. Okay, so let me reduce the size and position it right here. Okay, so guys, this is what we are coming to do, right? Come to this guy right here, check it and remove the black from it. Let me choose the color. So let's remove that side. Yeah, something like this is cool, right? Okay, so I'll go ahead and lock this one for now, and I'm going to bring my text onto the working area. I don't want this video to take that long at all, so let me change the color to white, and I'm going to change the font to this guy right here. This guy. Yeah. So this is the font I'm using, and the first text that we have there is welcome, all in caps. So welcome like this. Reduce the size and position it right on the line like this. Okay, so this place you can start making use of your grid tool, right? So yeah, I think something like this is cool. I'm going to copy this one, bring it right here. Let me look at the original design. So I'm changing this one to April like this. Okay. I think something like this is cool. I'm going to copy this one again, and this time around I'm going to change the font to a different font, which is perhaps this guy right here. Okay, so this is where I chose the font from. So on the default fonts in your Pixellab, go to the one that says fancy and click on the second one. Okay, so that's the one that I used. See, then I just have to make some few changes like this, and I'm good to go. Okay, so I'll increase this one to and position it right on the line. So what I did here was to go to shadow, and I'll give it a shadow like this. The shadow supposed to be white, okay, so that it will be a neon effect on it. That okay, and I'll reduce it to 50% or somewhere between 45 and 50. It's fine. Okay, so you can apply the same effect to the welcome tool. The same thing to the welcome, reduce it to 45 to 50%, somewhere like this, and repeat the same thing to the April. Yeah, so something like this is cool. Now I'm going to copy this too, but before I copy it, let me come to my padding, and where is it? I'm going to increase the padding small so that all the edges of the tool will be showing, will be visible, right? So copy it and bring it down here. Then we are going to type creative genius. Yeah, something like this. Cool, right? Yeah. So we are going to bring it down here like this. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing is to bring my shape like this. The shape. It's cool. Yeah, and I'll increase the radius like this, and then reduce the opacity. I think this opacity is cool, and I'll give it a stroke of 1 and a stroke color to be white. and I'm going to blur the stroke like this. Yes, so 1% blur is good for this. Now what I want to communicate is the next thing I'm going to type here, but before that, let's give this shape a shadow. Okay, a white shadow. Let's blur it small. This is cool. Yeah. Okay, so I want to copy this text. So copy. I'll reduce this one. First of all, let me change the color to something different, which is this color right here. Here's the color code 080523. That's the color code. Alright, and I'm going to change the font to a lighter one. So I think I'll choose this guy right here. So if you don't have this font, I have a video on my channel on how to import font into this application. Okay, actually I'm going to stick with the first one. I feel it looks nice. So let me just go ahead and type. Okay, so just to compare, I think it shouldn't be in all caps. Okay, I think this is cool. So you can use this one like this. Alright, so let's move all these guys up a bit. Okay, so come to this guy here and click on all these layers, click on them and move them up. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so the next thing is to bring another shape like this. Right, and I'm going to reduce the opacity and give it a stroke of 1. It's white color, something like this. Now look at what I'm going to do next. Come to your eraser and then increase it like this. Okay, increase it like this. Right, then this is what you are going to do. You are going to erase through like this. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I did was to bring a text that will go into this box right here. So I have all those things imported already, which is this and this. Okay, then I came to my draw tool here, came to this draw tool, change the color to white, increase the size and make it smooth, and this one too, like this. Then I started drawing around this image. Okay, it's actually white, right? So once I got what I needed, then I'll just check it like this. Okay, so you can change the color to white. See, then you send it to the back of the image like this, and because I have it already, so I'm going to delete this one and show you the one that I did. See how cool this is looking. Now the next thing is this element right here, this guy right here. So I'll leave it for you to in the description. Just bring it in and position it right at the top where it's supposed to be. So the next one too, this is a smaller version of the same thing. Where is the next one? Okay, so I have all these ones already. Where is it? Yes. And then these elements right here, this one too. Okay. So basically we are done with our design, and thank you very much for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question about this particular flag, please let me know in the comment section so that I will do video and elaborate on them, or you can join my community, which you will find a link in the description to as well. Then we'll discuss it over there. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.